Oil and Gas Professional. Visit ogpcourses.com for oil and gas courses. Pipe support span. Typically, piping is supported at regular intervals on steel supports embedded in concrete foundation or directly on steel structure. The distance between supports is the span. Pipe support span factors. There are four main factors which affects the support span: stress, deflection, natural frequency, allowable loads. By relating natural frequency and deflection limitation, the allowable span can be determined as the minimum of the calculated support spacing based on stress and deflection. Pipe span for different piping configuration. Piping loads type: sustain load, self weight of pipe and fitting in portion. Design load, load due to design condition of fluid, example pressure, temperature conditions. Operating load, load due to operating conditions of fluid. Occasional load, load due to seismic, cyclone and wind. While designing support, we need to consider the maximum of these loads, though occasional loads are considered on case-to-case basis. Blast load on piping support to be designed as per the client specification. Piping loads, load vector resolution of piping loads. Vertical load is the self weight of piping, and operational load which acts downward direction. Horizontal loads are two types: lateral load, axial load. Horizontal loads are creates rotational and movements of pipe support steel. Selection of pipe support. Common points to remember. Things to check before selecting a support: material of parent pipe, equipment connected to the piping, type of secondary steel available, configuration of the piping system, type of insulation of the piping system, type of process, fluid phase of the piping system, availability of steel based on procurement, client requirements and specifications. Selection of piping support. SS bearing plates shall be welded to supporting steel when SS, DSS pipes are directly resting on steel. For SS, DSS pipes and CS pipes requiring PWHT clamp type support shall be used to avoid welding. Also for SS, DSS pipe, SS sheet shall be inserted between the pipe and the clamp. Shoe shall be used based on the insulation used on pipes. For uninsulated or PP insulated pipe, no shoe is required. For HC, CC insulated lines, shoe is required. HC means hot conservation, CC means cold conservation. Before selecting the shoes, the actual displacement of piping has to be taken into account. In case pipe are running on rack and axial displacement of the pipe at support location is very high, then it has to be checked whether shoe length provided is sufficient. Slope lines should be rested using shoe supports only. Guides shall be normally placed with a gap of 3 mm. In case of gaps other than 3 mm, as required from stress analysis, notes shall be clearly mentioned and isometric join. Hold-on support to be avoided as much as possible. In case hold-on support is required, it can be achieved using U-bolts, hold-on type shoe guide arrangement. Positive vertical load to be kept as minimum as possible, or springs shall be used in case it is not possible to lower the positive load on the support. Use of dummy leg supports to be minimized to avoid stress concentration points in the parent pipe. Use of pickup supports to be minimized as much as possible, though it helps in supporting small bore lines and avoiding use of large quantities of steel for the same. Standard piping supports to be used as much as possible. Use of civil support. Pipe support is based on the cost factor from design and construction point of view. Do's in design pipe supports. The following leads to good engineering practice. Use minimum number of supports. Limit the use of flexible support. Provide supports near the already provided columns and beams. Provide necessary clearance for thermal movement. Consider all the primary, secondary and occasional loads in the design. Provide access for valve and fittings. Provide optimum loops to satisfy flexibility requirements. Provide guides to resist occasional loads like wind and earthquake. Provide an ergonomically acceptable design. Provide supports for vent drain, stop vents and silencers. Don't end design of pipe supports. Avoid the following in design. Avoid too many anchors. Avoid too long a span. Avoid too thin a pipe. Avoid large local stresses. Avoid too many fittings. Avoid too many flexible support. Avoid supports on horizontal bends. Avoid supports on pipe inclined to the vertical. Avoid bunching of too many pipes. Avoid large vertical or horizontal loops. Codes and standards for piping design. For supports, MSS standards. MSS SP 58 pipe hanger supports material design and manufacture. MSS SP 69 pipe hangers and pipe supports selection and application. MSS SP 89 pipe hangers and supports fabrication and installation practices. MSS SP 90 pipe hanger and support guidelines on terminology. British standard. See the list below. Secondary support. Secondary supports are piping civil structure that transfer the load of the piping system to foundation load carrying member. Secondary supports are designed by piping civil based on the type of structure, magnitude and direction of the load acting on the structure, distance of the pipe support from the load carrying member. Piping supports are defined in the piping support standard. For civil design supports, piping loads are to be transferred to civil. Secondary support civil design structure. We have two types of civil engineering structure based on the material of construction: RCC structure, steel structure. For a single pipe support, we use primary steel, secondary steel, special support, foundation pedestal. For a group pipe support, we use pipe track sleeper, pipe rack, pipe corridor, pipe truss. Please share with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe and as professional. Thank you.